Hi, my name is N. Vijay Prasad. Today I am going to discuss about top 10 endangered species in India. 10th one, Bengal tiger. The estimated population figures of Bengal tiger are 1706. Tigers are fast vanishing due to human intervention and poaching. Habitat zone: Toboda National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Sundarban National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Jim Corbett National Park, Bandagiri National Park. 9th one, Asiatic lion. The current total population of Asiatic lion is around 350. The Asiatic lion is vulnerable to extinction from unpredictable events such as an epidemic or large forest fire. They have also been indicators of poaching incident in recent years. Habitat zone: Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat. 8th one, Lion tail macaque. The lion tail macaque, with an estimated number of less than 4,000. The major threat to this endangered species is habitat fragmentation, also due to large interbirth periods and seasonal resource availability combined to make it endangered species. Habitat zone: Silent Valley National Park, Kerala, Kalakand, Tamil Nadu, and Northwestern Ghats in Karnataka. 7th one, Hangal, also known as Kashmir Red Stag. A 2011 survey, there are only 218. The degradation and loss of habitat from overgrazing and population in the national park, along with biotic interference, are the main causes to decrease its population. Habitat zone: Dachingam National Park in the forest. Sixth one, Nilgiri Tar. The latest report indicates Nilgiri Tar number to be around 1800 to 2000. Principal threats are habitat loss due to domestic livestock. Habitat: Ernakulam National Park, Nilgiri Hills. Fifth one, one-horned rhinoceros. The one-horned rhinoceros is a large mammal found in Assam. There are only 3,355 left. Excessive hunting has reduced the number of these species, are known as rhinoceros, are killed to saw off their horn, which are sold at high rates. Habitat zone: Karinga National Park, Dudhwa tiger. Fourth one, red panda. Red panda population is one on a decrease with the total number behind around 10,000. They are poached for their distinct pelts, habitat loss and fragmentation, and inbreeding depression in the region, why it is an endangered. Habitat zone: Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal. Third one, snow leopard. There are few as 4,000 snow leopard in the wild, with their numbers are declining. Habitat loss due to poaching for the bones, skins, and organs of large cats and the impact of climatic. Habitat zone: Hemis National Park, Ladakh, and Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary, Arunachal Pradesh. Second one, Gharial. 1,200 gharials survive in the world in India's and less than 100 in Nepal. About 1,000 gharials are also in India. River population, human pressure on their habitat, stolen eggs. The reason is an endangered species. Habitat zone: National Chambal Sanctuary, Sun River, Girva River, the Ganges. 1. Ganges dolphin. The total population of Ganges dolphin is estimated to be between 2,500 and 3,000, out of which more than 80% is in with Indian territory. The reason they are endangered species are accidentally killing in fishing gear, poaching for its oil and meat. Habitat zone: Gangetic, Brahmaputra, Meghna, and Sangu river system. Thank